Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to deactivate and delete plugins in WordPress. So if you want to do it, first you need to log into your administrator panel of your website, and after that you need to go to the left panel and here you need to click on plugins. Then you will see here a list of all available plugins on your website. And now if you want to deactivate the plugin, you need to click on this one option under the plugin which you want to deactivate. So I want to deactivate this one plugin, so I click on this one option, deactivate. After that, plugin will be successfully deactivated, and when plugin is deactivated we can delete it. So if I want to delete it, I need to click on this one option, delete, under the plugin which I want to delete. So I click here and I'm going to get this one information and notification. Are you sure you want to delete this one plugin? If you are sure that you want to do it, you need to click OK button, and how you see plugin has been successfully deleted from our website. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.